Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy an IPO in Robinhood. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step, explaining key concepts and providing practical examples. First, it is essential to understand what an IPO is. An initial public offering, or IPO, is when a private company issues stock to the public for the first time. This allows individuals to invest in the company and potentially own a portion of it. To buy an IPO in Robinhood, you need to have an account with the platform. If you do not have one, you can sign up for free. Once you have an account, make sure you have enough funds in your account to purchase the IPO. Next, you need to find the IPO you want to buy. Robinhood typically lists upcoming IPOs on their platform, making it easy to find and purchase them. You can search for the company name or the ticker symbol to find the IPO. Once you have found the IPO, you can place an order to buy it. You can choose to buy a specific number of shares or invest a certain amount of money. Keep in mind that IPO prices can fluctuate, so it is crucial to set a budget and stick to it. It is also important to understand the risks associated with buying an IPO. The stock price can be volatile, and there is a risk that you may lose some or all of your investment. Therefore, it is essential to do your research and understand the company's financials and growth prospects before investing. After placing your order, you will be entered into a lottery system. This system randomly selects which orders will be filled, and you will be notified if your order is filled. If your order is not filled, you will not be charged, and you can try again in the next IPO. In conclusion, buying an IPO in Robinhood is a straightforward process. By following these steps and doing your research, you can potentially own a portion of a company and benefit from its growth. Remember to always set a budget, understand the risks, and do your research before investing.